Today I'm doing a little follow-up on this dual pour system, Lancer dual pour soda machine. So I'm gonna get some things set up, and then we'll get ready to change out that right side control panel. Okay, so I had to let some people finish getting their drinks before I shut this machine down. So now I got it down, powered down now. So just give me a moment to get the cover off, and then we can get started on replacing this bezel. There we go. Just want to show you this bezel. You grab it from the top, and then you just pull forward towards you, and then it should drop down. Oh, I'm sorry. There's two catch screws on the inside corners, so those set screws have to come off, and then it'll pull down. That's my fault. I forgot. So remember those two side set screws? They're on each corner of the bezel. And they're usually finger tight, so shouldn't be too much of a problem getting them loose. Okay, and there the bezel is off. I'm going to disconnect the wiring, and then that way I can pull the old one off. This right here is the new one, the new bezel. You can see the part number there. Bezel assembly display. This arrived a few days ago, but I wasn't able to make it right out, so it took me a couple of days to get out this way. Okay, I have all my wires in place. So now I'm going to set the hooks back inside the slot, and then it just pops right in place like that. And then you could set I'll put my two screws in once I get done. I just want to make sure that it's operational. Let's see what we get. Got it plugged in. Looks good so far. Looks good so far. Let's see. Let's try a Coke. Go back. I'm going to try each flavor just a little bit. Dr. Pepper. Pepsi or Diet Pepsi. Then Pepsi. I'm going to try a Hawaiian Punch. It's good to purge these all because they probably haven't been purged in a while since it wasn't working. That Diet Dr. Pepper is empty. That was the mug root beer. Now the lemonade. The lemonade is pouring. Brisk iced tea. That is pouring as well. And then we have water. You have sparkling water. Then you have plain water. And then on this one too, you also have your flavor shots. You have your flavor shots right here. It's a button on the right. You have cherry, lime, vanilla, and lemon. So this is operational. I'm going to go ahead and put my the screws back in here, and then we should be all set.
Have you used this, bro?
Yeah. On that side, it's good.
How you doing?
All right. How are you? Hanging in there?
That's all we know how to do.
That's right, bro.
Survive.
That's it, man. That's it. Well, one day at a time.
That's it. That's all we know. 500 years.
That's right. That's it. Take care, bro.
Any flavor, it doesn't have to be, as long as it's a Coke product.
Yeah, it's a little awkward getting your hand in between the bezel here, but once you get it started, you can get it going pretty good. Because I had a bad bezel on there, I replaced the bezel. What happened was the bezel got wet in the fitting in the connectors. So when that bezel got wet, then it just went blank. So now we have a new bezel. Now they can use both sides. So that's all I have. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.